morning and welcome to the 2019 WWETT Trade Show in Indianapolis, Indiana, United States. And we're at the PlugCo Booth this morning, where we have a selection of some of our fine quality pipe plugs and pipe packers. You can see some of our plugs here, 12 to 24 inch, just a normal plug. We have some of the flow-through packers here in various sizes, and another little plug right down there. Over here we have one of the bendy packers for doing repair on bends, 90-degree bends, and maybe even a Y or two. Another pipe plug here, smaller, and a little baby boy over here. You can almost get those for twice for the kids if you want. They're, you know, unique, cute little things. At this year's fair, we have one of our new products, which is, this one is a 2 to 3 inch packer, but it has a smooth finish to it. As some of our customers wanted to have the pattern left in the packing material by the normal packer. They didn't want that to appear in the packing material, so we developed a smooth finish for them. Cuts down on the friction loss in the finished product, and makes the customer very happy, and also provides a shiny surface. I suppose it helps with debris in the pipe and lets it a little slipperier for them. Other than that, we have a display of some of our other products here. You can see the bendy packer there. And this is my favorite right here, this one here, this conical packer. I haven't seen anyone else make anything like that. You can get them in sizes up to 144 inches or 12 feet in diameter. They do fold up. You can fold them up and it'll collapse down to maybe a 20 or 18 inch diameter package that you can slip in a very narrow opening and then expand once inside the pipe to 12 feet. That's a large piece of equipment. If we had one here and inflated it, this is a 10 by 10 booth. It's too big. It wouldn't fit. Take up the whole space. Anyways, all these products are manufactured in Turkey by PlugCo. They've had many decades of business and experience in manufacturing plugs for all sorts of applications, and they stand behind their products 100%, and customer service is always a first concern, a priority with them. So please drop around to our booth. We'd be glad to explain our products and discuss your projects and make sure that you're a satisfied customer at the end of the day. So thank you very much. Take care and have a good day.